Ọpẹ́ yẹmi ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi ọ̀rẹ́ mi olólùfẹ́ mi ọpẹ́ yẹmi Diamond girl African baby ọpẹ́ yẹmi.
Hi guys,
Welcome back to our channel.
my name is Ayo,
And I'm Ope.
and together we are called.
Ayope.
It feels so good to be back.
Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey.
What's going on, people?
Guys.
Okay, if you missed Ayo, put a comment there. If you missed Opeyemi, just like the video. If you don't miss us at all, then you can skip.
No,
but I know you missed us.
If you don't miss us at all, then subscribe. Just subscribe. Just to show us that you really don't like us. Subscribe.
Guys, yeah, it feels so good to be back. If you're new to the channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel, okay? This channel will bless you, okay?
Come on.
So, for those that have been following us, you know, for our real followers, our real family,
Yes.
you know that we have kind of been away for a couple of weeks, isn't
Yeah.
it? We just said we should come on here and give you a bit of an update as to where we have been, what has been happening, and why we kind of went away. We didn't go away, we've always been here. But we have to bring our family along, okay? Because you guys are family, okay? As you can see, my wife is looking beautiful as usual. And I'm not looking too bad myself.
Come on.
Isn't it?
Come on.
Okay, so guys, before we jump into the update, okay, we have something good for you today.
Yes. We want you guys to listen very well. So guys, I have a question for you. What would you do if you had some extra income? If you had some extra cash, would you spend it? Would you save it? Let us know in the comment section
What
below.
would you do with some extra cash? Okay, I feel like everyone could do with making some extra cash. Okay, some extra money for yourself. Guys, we want to introduce you to Binomo. What is Binomo? Binomo is an online trading platform that allows you trade from your phone. Okay, so you can trade different indices from your phone. All you have to do is literally download the Binomo application. The link is in the description below. Download the application and you can start trading from your phone right away.
Guys, if you're new to this, not to worry, because Binomo actually have tutorial videos to help get you started. So you're good to go.
You're good to go. Guys, this is not financial advice, right? And if you're new to trading, make sure you use a dummy account first before you start trading with real money. So use the dummy account, and when you feel like, oh, I now understand this, I'm getting better at this, I'm making profit, then you can use real money and start making real profit. So guys, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description below to download the application, and there's more information for you in the description below. Okay, go and sign up and start making this extra cash. By the way, what would you do if you had extra cash?
You know what I'll do with my extra cash? My 3 M's. I'll go to Malta. From there, I'll go to Maldives. And after that, I will go to Mauritius.
Mauritius.
All in one go.
It's not Madagascar. Or what's the name of that? Macedonia.
No, thank you.
You need to go to. Is that not the places that Paul was going to?
No.
To preach the gospel.
No.
Macedonia and Corinthians.
Baby, I want to go to Malta. I'm telling you now. So when you make your money, don't forget Malta, Mauritius.
No, you're making your own money now.
Okay, that's true.
You know,
Malta,
we are making this extra income. So guys, go and download it, okay?
Yeah.
Because we all must make extra income in 2021.
Come on, yes.
And speaking of extra income, guys, we were seeing this film recently. What's the name again?
Diary of a Mad Black Woman.
Diary of a Mad Black Woman. Oh man, she was crazy, fam.
Why was she crazy?
She was mad now.
No, she was not mad, baby.
She was. Is that not the title of the film?
No, that's the title of the film, but she was not mad.
She was mad at her husband now.
She was pushed to that extent by her husband.
Okay, she was pushed, but she was mad. Anyways, this guy, guys, it's a Tyler Perry movie, isn't it?
Go and watch it, guys.
And so in the film, what I want to pick out from that film was there was a point where Medea, who was the grandma, was asking her where her money was and everything, and she says that she has not worked for 17 years.
Yeah.
and she has no penny to her name.
Yeah, everything is in his name.
Everything in, do you understand? I was just thinking, right, is that right? Like, I feel like even if one is a housewife or house husband, as it were, like, you should have some sort of income.
Yes.
Talking about extra income.
Yes.
So I'm always up for making that extra income.
extra
So even
money.
if I'm just at home doing nothing, I have one business somewhere. I'm selling something somewhere. You know, I'm teaching someone something. I'm just making some cash. Okay, that would make me a little bit independent. Okay, because I believe in marriage we're talking about interdependency. So you bring something, I bring something, but I'm not totally just dependent on you. This is just my opinion anyway. So
I think in there, the problem in that marriage, and not the problem, but the issue, and not to make it a spoiler, obviously we'd want you guys to watch it. Do you remember that part when the husband said, when you start paying bills, then you can have a say on blah, blah, blah. So the husband's mentality was already that he was attaching the money to the value of importance in that household, your value as a person in that household. So he felt that, because he had gone in his career far, a high flyer, but obviously what should be noted is the fact that he couldn't have gone far if she didn't
do certain things.
Yeah, for want of a word, she stayed behind.
She probably stopped her own career.
Exactly. But she stopped it to the point where she had nothing.
Guys, wait, hold this thought. Guys, I'm thinking, as you're saying this thing, I'm thinking that we've been saying that we want to do this kind of film reviews, some romantic films, and actually go deep into things that happen in the film, because this is how we talk about films when we're watching films, and we, you know, dissect everything that happened, what could have happened, you know, what could they have done differently and all that. If that's something that interests you, let us know. We want to start a new series on that. Okay, so but yeah, I'll let you finish what you were saying.
Yeah, no, that's it basically. I don't even want to spoil the movie.
Okay, so guys, go and watch it.
Yeah, so
and maybe we'll actually bring it back and do a full review on the film. Okay, so let us dive into what we want to do today. Guys, I feel like we're just all over the place because we have so much to say, right? So what has been happening, right? Where have we been?
Watching movies.
So yeah, so what has been happening?
So many things have been happening.
I feel like life has been happening.
Life has been happening. I think first and foremost, I feel like the coronavirus has been happening. For us in the UK, I don't know about anywhere else in the world, but it seems like it's only the UK that is, you know, wearing masks. It's only the UK that is not having events. It's only the UK that everyone has to stay inside. It's only the UK that has to be in isolation. So I feel like
I need another passport. Let me just go somewhere like, I don't even know, Tanzania.
Madagascar. Madagascar.
Yeah.
No, seriously. So I think that has been one of the things we have been, for want of a better word, cooped up in our house. Like literally, I knew it was deep when someone asked my husband what he wants for his birthday, and he was like, I just want to get away. I was like, wait, let me just check. When you say get away, I was like, yeah, that would be good for all of us to get away. And he was like, no, not everybody, just me, by myself.
Literally.
You guys stay at home. I was like, wait, are we the cause of any issue? Are we the problem?
Stop, you're making me look bad.
No,
but basically, yeah, I've been saying it like, yes, I want us to get away as a family, but I feel like I want to get away myself, like just, you know.
But yourself is us.
I love my family and everything. I love my wife. Hello. But you know, I feel like you just need that, you know, space to just reflect and just play and just, you know, do many things. Anyway, so as Ayope said, you know, that has been happening. There's been so many things happening, even just around in the UK, bro. You had kidnappings. There's been so many kidnappings, you know, abroad and also in the UK. Like we're hearing so many disturbing stories,
abductions of children, young adults, like it's just crazy. Yeah,
children getting missing, teenagers getting missing, and all of this is just really annoying. Okay, so coming back to us, right? So bringing it back to us, just in terms of, you know, why we have been so busy recently. Ayope, as you guys know, some of you don't know, but Ayope recently launched a book. Okay, Ayope launched her.
Who that? Who that?
Ayope launched her children's book titled Who Am I? Okay, amazing book. Okay, so if you have children that you look after, if you're a mentor, a parent, a guardian, okay, a Sunday school teacher, whatever you are, okay, make sure you go and buy this book. Okay, Who Am I? It's on Amazon. Okay, so Okwemi has been busy, you know, doing all the
guys. Sorry, can I just cut? I just love the way my husband gasses me up. See how he introduced me like they paid him to introduce me, like I'm about to receive an award. Like, thank you, baby. That's so sweet.
Like the work we did. You pay me in kind.
Oh God, Jesus.
So guys, go and buy the book. Okay, make sure you buy it. Okay, very important. So Okwemi has been so busy, you know, with the marketing and you know, doing so many things in the background. You know, for
and my team have been helping me.
You know, and we have been helping as well in the best way we can. Okay, so that has kept us very busy. That has kept you very busy.
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously as the husband I'm supporting, that has kept us busy as well. As you guys know, we have day jobs. Okay.
I think people don't know. I think people forget. We actually have 9 to 5.
We still have our 9 to 5 jobs, and for me personally, it has been literally manic. This last couple of weeks, got really busy. I was working really long hours, and the time where, you know, I wasn't working, I felt like I just wanted to chill. So I've been doing the Making Maya stories and you know, Okwemi's book, coupled with the 9 to 5 job that was so demanding, and you know, all of these things happening as Okwemi said, you know, COVID. So at some point it was just like, let's just rest. So by the time we say, okay, we want to record, because we have content. We've planned content, we want to, you know, record, but we're just tired, really.
I don't think it's a thing where we actually said, let's just rest. I think our bodies actually told us. So, you know, we'll have all intention. We'll say, oh, we're going to do a video today. We can plan to do this, that.
Or we'll do video this weekend.
We'll do video this weekend. And this weekend we just end up sleeping or, you know, just, you know, when your body tells you to slow down.
Yeah, literally, that's it.
Your body tells you to slow down.
So much has been happening, so much going on, and you know, we just said, guys, we need to bring our family on board. We need to let you know that obviously, you know, we're fine, everything is good, but we've just not had the time. We've just not had the time. My mom is around. My mom came back as well 2 weeks ago. Okay, so that has been another interesting period, just having my mom around. She had her COVID vaccine recently as well. Not like that was any major thing, but you know, we're going to be having ours very soon. I'm sorry, are you having? I don't know if I want to have this COVID vaccine. No.
I'm indifferent,
because they say somebody's doing like this, they say another person is doing like this, so we're still thinking, you know, they've started offering our age bracket, I believe.
I think the one thing about the COVID vaccine that's been very stressful for us is because it seems like we can't plan anything without it. So, you know, where we're thinking of, like, for example, I was thinking that we should go on a cruise, a Disney cruise with the kids. Then one of the requirements was that you need to be COVID vaccinated, which is fine, but they don't offer COVID. They haven't offered it to us yet, you know?
Yeah.
So you kind of feel like you're in a tight spot. Like, I want to go away, but no one's letting me go away. Even Boris has listed all the countries that we can go to. And it's like, some of them don't accept people from the UK. Some of them.
Like right now, you don't even want to be from the UK.
Like,
you don't even want to be from the UK.
COVID to mess UK up. Before you wanted to say my red passport, my Bali, I am a Londoner. Now it's bad. I'm not from London.
In fact, we're looking for other passports.
Well, exactly.
I feel like I'm gonna get the vaccine, right? In as much as I was a bit skeptical about it at some point, but I think, you know, with the way things are and how things are going, I believe I'll be getting it. And
will I have to hold your hand like last time? No, seriously, you might
like holding hands,
baby. So you want to tell them that?
So like, I cannot take small. You want is not even injection, small blood test. Maybe they just want to do a small prick.
No,
even small prick. You know the one that they just prick you a little like this.
Guys, I'm sure I've told you the story before. When I was having Mickey, and you know, I was in labor for a long time, so I was very dehydrated, and they wanted to put a drip in me, and I was like to the lady. These times I was in labor, I was fully like dilated.
Imagine you're in labor, but you're still afraid of that injection.
And then
labor pain that.
I said to the man, "Will it hurt?" He said, "Well, you are in labor." I feel like Was that the question that I asked?
He was trying to say that if you can withhold this labor
But that
pain,
was
then this other pain is
That was
nothing.
insensitive of him. That was very insensitive.
Anyways, speaking of Mickey, okay, it was Mickey's birthday as well. So it was Mickey.
Mickey is sick.
It was Mickey's birthday, you know, a couple of days ago, last week, and yeah, Mickey turned 6 years old. I was just like, wow, 6 years old. So was it 6 years ago that I was in that hospital with
Crying.
a prayer meet, which was what
Crying. Baby, it's okay.
I was there. Prayer me was shouting. I was saying, "Don't worry, baby. Everything is gonna be alright.
It's gonna be alright.
I was a strong man. I had to be motivational speaker. I had to be pastor. That day I was praying.
You were doctor.
I was motivating.
Could tell them that
I was doctor.
you delivered Mickey.
I was everything that she wanted me to be, because this woman, she would say, oh, but she would hold me, she would squeeze my hand, you know. So I was just thinking, obviously we were praying with Mickey, and you know, we had a nice day with the family coming over, singing happy birthday, cutting the cake.
And Maya. So I wish it was my birthday.
Because Maya wanted to open all the presents.
Maya wanted to, every present that Mickey and Maya got, every present that Mickey got, Mickey and Maya in chorus, they would open it. Oh!
No, Maya was even screaming more than Mickey.
Maya was screaming. Ah! Then Mickey was like, OMG! I said, oh, guys, you got that drama from, obviously.
Hello.
Anyway,
guys, so these are some of the things that have been happening, but we thank God, okay, that we are well. We thank God for His grace. We thank God for His mercies, okay. So we are back, okay. We're going to be rolling. As you said, we have a few things to dish out. We're going to be getting some very interesting updates, okay? Some good news coming your way soon, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So watch this space, don't sleep on it.
Don't sleep on it. And if it's better that you subscribe now so you don't miss out.
Subscribe, okay? Because, you know, some good news coming very soon, okay? You don't want to miss out, okay? So we've been planning some things in the background as well, and that is why we've not actually come out, you know, in a minute. So you don't want to miss these things that we're planning. Do you understand? So make sure you subscribe to our channel, okay? Make sure you know, stay on it. Stay on this channel, okay? Don't go nowhere. Turn on notifications.
Yeah.
Very important. Turn on notifications so you can be notified as soon as we put out a video, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We never went anywhere. It's just been a couple of weeks, but I feel like it just felt strange. Like this has become a part of our lives.
Exactly.
So having not recorded anything, you know, I just become like I was having withdrawal symptoms.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, I just thank God for strength, and thank God, you know, for time. Things are better with work, and the Mickey Maya stuff, the book as well. You know, things are winding down. So don't forget, go and buy the book. Who am I? Okay, visit the website ayopedavis.com. Okay, we have so many resources on there. Go and pay and buy stuff. Spend money on yourself.
Spend this money.
Improve yourself. Okay, help yourself, and also help the next generation. In fact, if you don't want to help yourself, help the next generation. Go and buy this book. The book is all about affirmations, you know, affirming your children.
Yeah.
The same way we affirm ourselves. Even as children, we need to, even as adults, we need to gas ourselves up. We need to literally say, I can do it. You know, we need to actually say things to ourselves so that we can do the things that are difficult for us, or things that we think that we cannot do. So those affirmations, biblical affirmations, based on the promises, the plans, and based on, you know, our identity in Christ, based on the word of God. So we want to train these children, you know, from young, right, so that they can grow to become confident children, people that understand their identity, they're confident in who they are in Christ, okay, not confident in their own abilities, but confident in who God has called them to be. So very important, and I just bless God for my wife, and you know, for yielding. So thank you for yielding, and thank you for putting this body of work out there, because I know we will bless so many homes and bless so many children all over the world. So guys, go and buy that book, okay? And yeah, what else we have to say? We just wanted you to see our you know, beautiful faces, okay? We still rep Ayope, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean? You know what you know.
So yeah, we represent Ayope. And yeah, I don't feel like ending this video, to be honest.
Let's cook take them to bed with us.
Maybe we'll just do vlog. How many people will watch the vlog if we're just sleeping, we're not doing anything? You just be watching us, you know. So yes, guys, thank you for your support. Okay, thank you for all those that message us to say, oh, you guys, I miss you. Where your video? When is the next video?
Staying with us, actually. Just thank you for staying with us.
Yeah,
it means a lot.
Yeah, some people have said, oh my God, I've been refreshing, no new video. There's a new video coming for you. Okay, and another video by God's grace. Okay, so we're gonna be rolling these things out. Okay, so God bless you. Should we sing our welcome song?
Yeah, we need to sing our welcome song to ourselves.
We need to welcome ourselves.
We need to welcome ourselves back. Oh, but maybe I've been having a bit of a sore throat. No, seriously, I'm not even.
5, 6, 7.
We're glad you came, we welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life. We are glad you came. We welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life. So marriage, faith, and life, say marriage, faith, and life. Marriage, faith, and life, say marriage, faith, and life. Marriage, faith, and life, say marriage, faith, and life. God bless you guys. We shall see you in the next video. Bye.